In this video, we're going to show you how to verify BloxLink on your PC. So as you can see here, we are in a BloxLink documentation on how to verify. So learn how to connect your Roblox account to your Discord account to BloxLink in less than 5 minutes. So all you need to do is go to bloxlink.link and sign in with Discord. So this is pretty much it. You could sign in with Discord here, or even just, enter your Roblox username to get verified. So go to Roblox and just do this, right? And do that, and then click get verified now. And you're going to be still directed to the Discord, and it's going to show you an external application BloxLink wants to access your Discord account. And just click on authorize, and you will be sorted out. It's going to allow the developer of BloxLink to access your username, avatar, banner, know what servers you're in, and read your member info, nickname, avatar roles, etc. for servers you belong to, and then update your connection and metadata for application. And once you authorize, you will be redirected outside of Discord to blocks.link. And yeah, so just click on authorize and you'll be sorted out. That's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.